Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna learn you the fundamental skills about arrays. Alright, so what is an array? It's like a list that has its own values and you can access them by their index. And how do you write one? You write one with these brackets and then you write your value, like your name maybe, and you can also write like true, and you separate these with commas. Your values, you separate them with commas, and you can add whatever value you want, like a string, a boolean, an integer, a float, and you can even add an other array. Oh, sorry. Like this. So you can add whatever value in this that you want, but to do something with this we would like to save it in a variable, so just like create an array1 and let's console log this out and see what happens. So R1. Alright, so we get the array. But what if we wanted to get true? Well, then we add these after, and you start counting from 0. So this value has the index of 0. This value has the index of 1. This value has the index of 3, and so forth. And this is 4. But what is this? Well, this is 5. So what if we wanted to get true inside this? Well, this array is at value 5. We'll start with something easier. We will get Rasmus, or your name. So we add 0, because this is at the index of 0. And then let's run this. We get Rasmus. Good. If we wanted to get 12, we have 0, 1, 2. So write 2 and run. Alright, good. So what if we wanted to get these values? We wanted to get true. Well, we start counting from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is at value 4, this array. So if you write 4, we get this array, because the array is the value. You see, after the comma, this array is the value. We don't get we want. So if we want true, you can see this as another array. So if we want to get the index of this array, we write another and write 1, and now we should get true. Good, congratulations, you now know the really simple about the really simples. I don't know how to say it, but the fundamentals of an array, the really basic fundamentals of the array. Alright, but if we wanted to use this, can we? Well, let's test this. So if we write is cool, sorry, that's not how you write it. So is cool equals this, and we console log is cool. What do you think it would output? If you think true, you're right, because we get this from this. This is just a value. You can see this as just a normal value. So we can write if is cool console log is cool. We get true. True. And if it's false, like 0, that's not false, but oh, sorry, you can't just input that. You need to, if you change this to false, then we just get 1. Alright, now I'm gonna show you the really basic methods of an array. So like console.log or 1, then we put a dot to get methods. We can get much of them. So let's just try the property length. Alright, so what would we think length would output? Well, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 elements here. We have five values in the array, so it would output 5. Yes, because this does not count as 0, 1, 2, 3. It counts like a human. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's one of them. Let's check another. Well, we have pop, and this will just output what it's popping, and it's pop. Well, first we does this first, and we can remove this. R1. Well, it has deleted this data, but if you wanted to access this and still delete it, you can use pop and create a variable with const r2, and if you would output r2, we get this array. So this returns the value it's deleting from the array. I hope you understand it, because it's deleted. It deletes it and returns it. So yeah, that will really come in handy sometimes. So what's more? Oh, sorry. We have pop, push. You just add like Rob. You just add a value at the end of it. You see, now we have Rob at the end. What more? I will not go into something difficult here. Reverse, it's cool. So if you run this, it reverses the array. Because the array starts with the value Rasmus, and Rasmus is at the end of the array when you reverse it. What more? Index of. You can get the index of a value, like true. You get 1. Oh, sorry. We need to console.log this. We need to log this out. We get 1 because it gets the first value. If we would add true right here, we would get, yeah, you will see, 1 still, because we would get the first value, not the other ones, just the first. Or 1, and you can get concat. That is a good one. Like if you wanted to add nice array and 30, we will get we would get an array with both of them. But if we would do this, sorry, still output R1, we would not get the concat, because this will not change the array. It will create a new array. It will just return a new array with this array concatenated into it at the end. So that's it, folks, and yeah, hope you learned something new about arrays, and hope you know how to use them now. Bye.